Challenge Marvel superheroes Hulk, Spider-Man, Superman, Captain America, Iron Man to race motorbikes through the world's most dangerous obstacles. First, the Trap Challenge, the Mobile Hammer Challenge, the Shark Lake Challenge, the Train Track Challenge, and finally the Giant Hand of Spider-Man. Whoever overcomes the above challenges will be the winner and move on to the next round. Are the Marvel superheroes ready to conquer the challenge?
Green light!
Drop like an earthquake!
Spider!
Oh my god!
Here comes Spidey!
Oh my god!
Hulk smash! Hulk is strongest there is! Hulk fight now! You make Hulk angry! You not like Hulk angry!
Oh my god! Drop like an earthquake! Oh! Come on! Whee!
Up in the sky! It's a bird!
It's a plane!
It's Superman! Hulk! Smash!
Here comes Spidey!
Come here!
Here comes Spidey!
Oh my god!
Yeah, boy.
No! Whee! Gago!
Yahoo! Wahoo!
I want Spider-Man! Look, up in the sky! It's a bird!
It's a plane!
It's Superman! Hulk! Smash!
Welcome the winner. Hulk, Spider-Man, Shark Spider-Man, Wolfman,
Oh,
Batman,
hello!
Venom. The superheroes will continue to challenge overcome obstacles. Are dinosaurs versus Godzilla versus fire-breathing dragons and trains. Whoever overcomes will be the strongest in Marvel superheroes.
Yahoo!
Yeah, boy.
Oh my god!
Come here!
Oh my god!
Come here!
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the cops ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna get low, my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid.
Here comes Spidey!
Drop like an earthquake!
Can the Spider-Man come out to